Tired of manually dragging table borders every time you edit text? You know the drill. You type a few words into a cell, and suddenly everything is cramped or your column is way too wide. So you spend the next minute carefully dragging those little lines back into place. It is frustrating, and honestly, it is a huge waste of time. But there is a much better way. Learn the one-click AutoFit trick that resizes tables instantly. No more fussing with the mouse. No more guessing at the right width. In this video, I will show you 3 simple clicks to enable automatic resizing. Let us jump in. So let us start with a table that needs some help. Maybe you have already typed some text into it, or maybe you are starting fresh. Either way, the first thing you need to do is click anywhere inside the table you want to work with. Just one click. It doesn't matter which cell. The goal here is just to let Microsoft Word know, hey, I want to work with this table. Now that the table is selected, look up at the top of your screen. You will see the ribbon, and somewhere up there, a new set of tabs has appeared. Specifically, you will see 2 new tabs that say Table Design and Table Layout. That is your cue. You want to click on the one that says Table Layout. Go ahead and click that. Once you are in the Table Layout tab, look for a group of options, usually labeled Cell Size, and right there you will find a button called AutoFit. It is a pretty small button, but it is the magic one. Click on it. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few choices. Now pay attention to this one because this is where the trick actually happens. From that drop-down, you want to select AutoFit Contents. This is the setting that tells Word to stop guessing and to look at what you have actually written in your cells. It says Word. Look at the longest word or the biggest block of text in each column and make that column just wide enough to fit it perfectly. It is a very specific, lesser-known feature that solves a very common frustration, and once you know it, you will use it all the time. Now let us test it. Go ahead and type something into one of your cells. Maybe add a longer word than you had before. Watch what happens. The column automatically grows or shrinks to fit that new text. No dragging, no clicking on borders, it just happens. That is the whole point. Your table is now alive. It adapts to whatever you throw at it. This is great for things like address lists, product descriptions, or any table where the content changes frequently. Now, here is a little bonus tip. Sometimes, even after you use AutoFit, you might decide that you want one column to be a specific width. Maybe you want a column for a name to be a little wider just for visual balance. You can still do that. You can manually click and drag that column border just like you always did. The difference is, now you are doing it because you want to, not because you have to. And the rest of your columns will still behave themselves and adjust to fit. So once you have set one table up with AutoFit, you can repeat the same steps for any other tables in your document. Just click back inside the next table, go to Table Layout, click AutoFit, and choose AutoFit Contents. It takes about 2 seconds per table. And the best part is, this setting usually sticks. So if you add more text later, that table will keep resizing itself automatically. And that is really all there is to it. No more wrestling with borders, no more crooked columns. Just click, 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 and you are done. Your tables will look clean, professional, and they will do the hard work for you.